is a Kenyan musician who has been going
Why are all the guys excited? What is so
I know.
exciting?
He's been on social media. Even before you came, he's been saying he really wants to take care of Zari.
Wow.
And when he came, when he heard you're coming, I think he missed you when you had gone to an interview earlier on at a radio station.
Okay.
And he brought, I think, a Range Rover Sport. He has your name on it. He says he wants to take care of you, and if you need anything, holla at him. His name is Ringtone. Have you heard of him? And what do you think?
I didn't know about this guy until I did a few interviews this morning. I still don't know who this guy is. Never met him, never chatted with him. He claims to be chatting with me. I'm not chatting with him. I don't know him. I only heard this morning like this guy, he bought you a Range Rover and rings. I'm the queen of rings. I'm wearing diamonds. So I don't think I need a ring from him. Range Rover, I just got myself one last week. I don't think I need that. Anybody wants a Range Rover? So, I love his courage. I love his courage. Let's not disappoint the guy. Guys, you know that would kill your self-esteem if a person like me came out and said, nah, I don't need you. No, I love his courage. The fact that, he just woke up and said, I need to get a Range Rover, a house, a ring, 800 cows, whatever it is. I mean, that is really courageous. Like, big up to Rington. But nah, I'm sorry, I'm not interested.
Nah. Speaking about things happening online, have you ever had what's one of the craziest things that has ever happened to you, like an online stalker or some crazy stuff that has happened to you?
Yeah, I've had so many stalkers. My emails is always full of spam people texting me nudes. My Facebook is always full of guys' pictures, and I'm like, nah, don't send me that. That is not for my eyes. And I've had this one guy that actually stalked me so many times because, we have a website for our colleges, and I think he picked up our office address there. So he stalked me a lot at the office, and until I had to let my security know, like, you just need to take extra measures. So now they screen everybody else that comes specifically to the CEO's office. Nobody accesses my office like that. Yeah, it's always weird things happening, but being in the limelight, you expect it, and it's just one of those things.